She's taking Bob with her.
Yeah, she's going today.
Where are you and Bob going? Oh, you're going to play with Bob?
I know. Yeah, I know. Okay.
2 days she's going.
Oh, look at that. Is that your chair? Just get all this stuff out of the way. I want my chair. Oh, don't take your stuff out yet. You got to wait till everybody gets here. You got to wait.
Wait a little bit, honey.
You got to wait a little while.
Okay. I love your shoes.
Can you dance in those shoes? Can you dance?
Poor Bob.
Sadie, can you dance?
Yeah, give him a kiss now. No.
Push him over there, she says. He can have a seat.
Does he get a bite of your, whatever it is?
Her bun.
Your bread?
What are you doing, Bird? Want to take Bob in the other room?
Scared of that.
Most kids will be scared of that. Oh, she loves SpongeBob.
You have grown so much since I saw you last.
Yeah. She's old. She's old for her age.
Sadie, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Oh, no. I see you. I see the princess. What are you going to do?
What are we going to do?
Do you want to see you?